Hey everybody, I'm back. Sorry for the delay. We were working with a lot of other partners and projects that they had, but we're going to start making more videos again. So without further ado, let's start with this one, which is about an idea that one of the BD owners had, which is when somebody writes a really long about section, maybe you don't want their public profile to show so large, so long that people have to scroll down to actually see the whole thing. Okay, so here's an example, a lorem ipsum and the separators. I'll explain that in a little bit, but you can see how long it is. And just imagine this in your public profile. Okay, you're like, holy mother, that's a really long about section. So the customization here, which I'll provide the code in the Telegram group or via email for now while I work on the Facebook group. It's Brilliant Directories plugins. Brilliant Directories plugins. Um, that the workaround it basically does the following. Okay, I'm gonna put it like this, and it shows the information, but it divides it by a specific HTML element or group of elements. So in this case, here's the code that makes the division in some CSS so it looks nice and neat. But what we're saying here is that the splitter, the element inside the about section that will split the sections into pieces will be the HR. You can see HR here. Okay, everything else you can leave alone except if you want this same idea to be applied to other text areas, other pages on your site, other whatever. Right now it's by default using the about section, which is this section, and it reads that, it looks for the HR, it breaks it, breaks the whole thing in for each HR, and then it sums up how many sections there are going to be, and then takes basically it takes care of everything. Okay, the end result goes from here. And you can see the HR here, the horizontal line. Here's another one. Here's another one. And there's another one. And that's it, I think. Yeah. So you can see that it goes from here to this nice design. You can scroll inside of it. Um, basically leaving the member to decide how they want the sections to be divided, for example. If you do some little customization about this, you can offer this for premium members only or specific membership levels, okay, or specific top categories or subcategories, whatever. But basically, this grabs a large content and it subdivides it in small, more readable sections. Let's put it like that, okay? It takes care of the title, as you can see, and other things, okay? So it looks nice, it looks neat. Um, I'm not forced to scroll down to see the whole thing like I was before. And you get that nice effect, a cleaner effect about it. Okay. So hope that this video helps. I'll be leaving the content of this in the Telegram group because I can't, I'm unable to upload the code anymore on Facebook. There's some issues with it, especially if there's JavaScript or PHP or I don't know what's happening with the code. But there's going to be a group called Telegram, um, t.me, like let me put it here, t.me dot brilliant directories. Okay, so if I go there, let's go here, boom, you end up on this one. Okay, it's a small group for now. You can go there, boom, and you can ask for help. This is a group also for developers or developers that are starting out with this. We also assist developers on it. Remember that I was a former senior developer of Brain Directory, so I can help existing developers that want to learn about the platform. Or you, the typical owner of the business, like you want to increase the success rate of your site, monetize all that, add ideas. Like I always say, think outside the box. Now you can do it. Just send me the ideas. I'll tell you if they're possible or not, um, and some hints and other experiences that I had in regards to your niche. Okay, so you can add them to your business. But we're gonna be doing now the video, the content for the video, the code, and we're gonna be putting on the Telegram site. If you don't know, obviously you're watching the channel and you already joined the channel and blah blah blah. Well, actually, here's the Teamy, my private one. You can go there and ask for help there, but I'll be putting the Telegram for the videos also here. But remember that here's the YouTube channel for you to see and other links that will help you. Okay. And on the Telegram, I forgot, you can also find the official Facebook group for Brain Directories, the official one for the help support, and the Brain Directories plugins too. So hope that helped. Big hugs. Think positive.